You are being reminded, once again, by the divine that everyone who has achieved success has had to overcome numerous obstacles in order to become more resilient, perceptive, and capable of foreseeing the future. Understand that it didn't occur overnight. Those who became wealthy through luck would enjoy the pleasure, but maybe have no idea how to sustain and work for it. True success requires sweat, hard work, and honesty. Never doubt that God will find a way to use you, even when it seems impossible for it to happen. To become the person you've always wanted to be, to give you not just hope but also confidence, to open your eyes to the things you need to improve upon while also learning something new about yourself every day. With your small actions, steps, and gestures, things always begin to move forward. If you place your trust in God, He will reciprocate on your behalf. Remember to establish the habit of doing the right thing at all times before you begin your day. You must always tell the truth, no matter how painful it may be. Keeping this in mind will make your life run more smoothly, and you wouldn't know it until you give it a try. God is aware of everything you do. Things may be going well for you right now, but keep in mind that nothing bad will keep you in power. It was just an illusion that it gave you influence, but in reality, it was pulling you down with it. No matter how difficult things become, continue to put your faith in God. You can always count on Him, and He always got your back. Every opportunity is right around the corner for you. Find out what the universe is really directing you toward. Embrace the authority that God has given you. Unlock the superpowers you didn't know you possessed. You always have the willpower to create a bright future for yourself that will enable you to live peacefully, contentedly, and happily with the special ones you cherish. You are destined to discover the world's hidden treasures. Bring the light along with you to shine a light on the hearts of those you encounter along the way. The most powerful thing that can make the world a better and safer place to live is the love you have for it.